Are you learning programming or preparing for a technical interview? Measure your progress by solving these tricky programming questions. Give it a try. Let us see whether you can really solve it. Rules are really simple. You get only 2 minutes to solve the problem. You can skip to 3rd minute in this video to find the answer. If you get a right answer, then give this video a thumbs up. If you don't, challenge your friends by sharing this video with them. Most importantly, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you get instant notification when we upload the next coding challenge or an informative video. So here we go, do your best. I will see you in the 3rd minute with the right answer. Time's up. Here is the answer. We have a variable I initialized with 5, we have another variable j, and then we have one complex arithmetic instruction. Now I have simplified the arithmetic instruction for your understanding like this. Even when you write a statement like this in any of your development environment, it might give you an error because this can result into an ambiguous arithmetic instruction. So you might have to add these spaces like this, which I have added over here. So that is the only way using which your compiler will understand that these are my pre-increment operators. Like in this case, if there are 3 plus in continuation, and if we did not add any spaces over here, so your instruction would be like this, plus plus I plus plus. So in this case, compiler will not understand whether to consider here pre-increment or post-increment. That is why it's better that we write spaces over here. Now assuming that this program had these spaces, so as we have seen in one of the earlier programs, question like this will have different outputs across different compilers. Now for explanation, I'm going to use GCC compiler. So in GCC compiler, first this value will be evaluated, and this plus will be my first operand, to which my operators would be plus plus I, and second is as well plus plus I. Now whatever the output which comes over here will be again added, that is because of this sign with this part, so plus plus I. Now because these are pre-incremented, whatever the current value of I is, that will be incremented immediately because these are pre-increment operators, and incremented value will be utilized by plus operator. So because I is 5, so after executing both the statements, I will become 7, and this incremented value will be utilized by this plus sign. So 7 plus 7 will give us 14. So this 14 will be used by this operator now. Again, because I was incremented to 7 in the first step, here I will become 8. So for this plus operator, output would be 14 plus 8, which is equal to 22. And this 22 will be stored into J. Now we know that I was finally incremented to 8. So J is equal to 22, I is equal to 8. Hence, in the next line when printf statement is used, I will be printed as 8 and J will be printed as 22. So output of this program will be 8 and 22. Again, just to clarify, this would be the output in case of GCC compilers only. On Turbo C or under your code block, output could vary. I hope you really enjoyed the question. We have many such programming technical questions with detailed explanation in video format, which are packed into a single courseware at kodegod.com. Link is in the description and you can also click on the eye icon to find out the link. Do check it out, it's really useful. You can binge watch all such technical interview questions by clicking on the left playlist, or if you want to learn basics of computer programming, then click list on the right. Give this video a thumbs up so that we and your friends will get to know that you got the right answer. Don't forget to post your comments. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next coding challenge.